Guess what it is with MARNZ Tube? Hey friends, welcome back to MARNZ Tube. Today we're going on a wild adventure to guess some amazing animals. But there's a twist. I'll give you clues and show you a mystery shadow. Think you can guess before the answer? Let's go. Okay, first animal. Clue 1. I'm called the king of the jungle. Clue 2. I have a loud, powerful roar. Clue 3. I live in Africa and love to relax in the sun. What animal am I? Did you guess right? If you said lion, you're roarsome. Let's hear that roar together. Roar! Next one. Clue 1. I'm the tallest land animal. Clue 2. I have a long neck to reach tall trees. Clue 3. I eat lots of leaves. What am I? Did you guess right? Yes, it's a giraffe. Now stretch your arms high above your head and pretend to munch leaves. Munch, munch, munch. Next one. Clue 1. I'm the biggest land animal on earth. Clue 2. I have a long trunk and big flappy ears. Clue 3. I love splashing in water and eating lots of plants. What am I? What's your guess? Yes, I'm an elephant. Let's make a trunk with our arms and trumpet like an elephant. Purr! Hooray, you did it! You guessed so many things today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MARNZ Tube for more fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.